everyone, I'm Vera. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're not talking about the fashion show. It is the virus transport media Vtm Production Line that we're going to talk about. As we all know that the coronavirus spreading all over the world from 2019. Nowadays, more than 116 million people are infected. This is a sad fact, but also strengthens the importance of self-protection. Remain social distance and use masks when necessary. There are many ways to detect whether people are infected or not, like by blood rapid test and also by the nucleic acid test. Let's watch a video to see the difference between them.
Alright, actually that's not the real.
Specimen collection. Standard precautions should always be followed whenever samples are obtained from patients. Use the supplied sterile single-use specimen collection swabs. Nasopharyngeal specimen collection. Step 1. Tilt patient's head back 70 degrees. Step 2. Using the sterile single-use specimen collection swab, carefully insert it through one nostril of the patient until you reach the surface of the posterior nasopharynx, less than 1 inch until resistance is encountered at the turbinate. Rotate the swab gently 2 or 3 times. Hold the swab in place for 5 seconds to absorb the specimen. Step 3. Specimens can be collected from both sides using the same swab, but it's not necessary to collect specimens from both sides if the mini tip is saturated with fluid from the first collection. Step 4. Remove the swab from the nasal cavity. The specimen is now ready for processing. Oropharyngeal specimen collection. Step 1. Tilt patient's head back 70 degrees. Step 2. Insert swab into the oral cavity without touching the gums, teeth, or tongue. A tongue depressor may be used. Step 3. Swab the posterior pharyngeal wall using a rotary motion. Step 4. Withdraw the swab from the oral cavity. The specimen is now ready for processing. Test procedure. Step 1. Add all of one single buffer, 380 microliters, into single-use extraction tube. Step 2. Insert the specimen collection swab into the extraction tube, which contains 380 microliters of the buffer, and rotate the swab constantly. Repeat 10 times. Step 3. Squeeze the swab on the tube wall so that the liquid is extruded continuously. Take out the sample and discard the swab according to the treatment of infected items. Step 4. Cover the extraction tube with its dispensing tip. Remove the test kit from the sealed foil pouch. Add 2 drops of the treated sample vertically into the sample well of the test kit. Step 5. Wait 15 minutes to interpret and record the test result. The result is invalid after 20 minutes.
The virus Vtm medium tubes is used for collecting, preserving, and shipping the specimens for the diagnosis of virus infection. And this test normally consists of the nasal swab and a tube with liquid medium. I have some samples to show you. As a matter of fact, normally it's packaged in such boxes. And this is the production information. Before use it, normally you should wear the gloves. This is the liquid with medium. This is the nasal swab. As a matter of fact, I think many of us have done such tests. I think you know the difference. You have your own preference, the blood or the nasal swab. Now let's get back to our machinery. How to produce the liquid medium into the PET tube. This is the Vtm filling machine. It is used for virus transport medium filling into tubes. The operating process is quite simple. Manually put the tubes and caps into the vibrating plate, and then automatically tubes and caps feed into the filling station and capping station. With 5 filling pumps, the medium will be filled into the PET tubes. Normally, the filling volume is 3 milliliters. This machinery is with big capacity. It's around 6,000 to 8,000 pieces per hour. The labeling machine is quite simple, actually. We have more than 20 years experience in manufacturing such machinery. It is stable and the functions are simple, and with one operator is enough to operate this machinery. The productivity is around 20,000 pieces per hour, very, very good and high speed. The last is the blister packing machinery. It is used to pack the tubes and the swabs together into this blister package. machinery is normally used for packaging disposable medical products such as syringes, IV set, infusion. The productivity is quite big too. It's around 15,000 pieces per hour. We actually got very good endorsement from our government. Yes, our government also placed several orders from us, and nowadays we're developing our overseas market with more influence from our client. The like from our client actually is the value. Our goal is to create value for our customers. Together with our client, we pursuing to engineer for a healthy life in the world. And our advantage is our technology, our solution providing, and the service, after-sales service. The technology part, we have our own research and developing team. Every year we update our technology resources and our solution. We have more than 10 years experience in providing turnkey project solution, which means we also have very good knowledge and experience in clean room design and turnkey project providing service maintenance. Our after-sales service is 24 hours, 7 days. We always online for you. Now, thank you for your watching. Thank you for your time. We wish you a healthy 2021. Enjoy your life. Bye bye.